This is a rechargeable LED lamp. Its original lead acid battery went bad, but the lamp itself is still in great shape and good quality. Instead of throwing it away like many do, I decided to give it a second life by converting it to run on lithium-ion batteries. I have already removed the screws and the old worn out battery off camera. These two wires were connected to the battery. The lamp circuit originally had a micro USB charging port, which I am now going to use to power a TP4056 charging module. I have disconnected its traces from the lamp's main circuit. I am using this charging module to safely recharge the new lithium-ion battery pack. Since the lamp's original charging system wasn't designed for lithium-ion batteries, mixing them could lead to serious consequences. I have made this lithium-ion battery pack by connecting 4 old mobile phone batteries in parallel. But I must say, do not attempt any experiments with lithium-ion batteries without proper knowledge. It can be life-threatening. Now let me explain the connections. The positive wire of the battery pack goes to the B+ terminal of the module and the negative to B-. The wires that were connected to the old battery will now go to the out+ and out- terminals. Red to out+, black to out-. I will use pieces of red and black wire to connect the module's 5V input to the micro USB port I showed earlier. This is chip-based flux. It makes soldering much easier. Friends, here you can see I have glued the battery and the module in place, just as planned. I soldered the battery off camera to do it carefully and avoid accidentally shorting the wires. As you can see, the lamp is now working just fine and will provide a long backup. It is time to put the back cover of the lamp on. Let's try charging the lamp now. You can see the red charging indicator through the back cover. It will turn blue once fully charged. This lamp has now got a new life. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this and also comment your thoughts.